anything, and hopefully James designed this where you can't plug in the wrong thing.
Right.
And driving around that 188 distance to hit.
Oh, break the fourth wall.
We've been doing Gridlife for like 14 years.
This is our backyard.
Okay, so you...
It's rear wheel.
I haven't seen that car in a while.
It's too expensive to run.
How's it too expensive?
Well, I mean,
How's it more expensive than anything else?
yeah, I was gonna say. But
Well, yeah. I mean, I'm like 30 minutes outside New York City, so a lot of that shit ends up at the 4th Street.
Yeah, to get it to
The
that's what I found
the
out.
OEM one for that size is from a Porsche. Yes, because around that time, Daimler, Chrysler, Fiat, Maserati, all of them were conglomerated.
And there's a block in the back that they plug into.
Yeah. Okay. So instead of relying on the alternator to like send a drop-in filter, or is it a spin-on filter?
Spin-on filter.
Oh, that's an OG shirt.
No. You want OG
That's the
shirt?
old poster. Color shows like a lot of things in cities.
You see Chris asked him if he ever did one.
Sit back in, maybe try a different different line. I haven't seen him travel out that far in the thing yet. It'll be interesting to get a close-up shot here. Oh, runoff in turn 3. Oh, can he get it stopped?
One more session left in the day. So I got one hot lap in the first session. I got one hot lap in the second session. That's it today.